Today we will be learning about addition, but some sort of like adding up to 10 and using number bonds. Okay, first I'm going to show you how to use pictorial to show to your children how to break up numbers in order to add them easily. Okay, you can see from the canvas that I have a question 7 plus 5. Okay, I have 7 in a grid of 10. So what is missing is 3. You need 3 more to make 10. And the other one is 5. So we are going to shift 3 of the counters, 3 of these counters inside the squares to make 10 first. Okay, so I'm just going to erase them. Erase the 3. Okay, 3 green counters. So the 3 green counters now will come inside here. Okay, effectively it's still 7 plus 5, but now we break the 5 into 3 and 2. So after breaking up the 5 into 3 and 2, 3 and 2, now we have one group of 10 and one group of 2. So 7 plus 5 is effectively 10 plus 2, which is equals to 12. Okay, this is one method how I teach my students to add numbers. Okay, the trick to this is to break up the smaller number. Okay, break up the smaller number to add on to the bigger number. Okay, let's look at an example with just number bonds. Okay, once you have your kid mastering this, you can teach them a higher level, which is just number bonds itself. Okay, I'm just going to use another example. 8 plus 6 equals. Now, for 8 plus 6, we have to ask ourselves which one is the smaller number. 6 is the smaller number, so we are going to break up 6. And we have to ask ourselves 8 plus what will give you 10. So 8 plus 2. So the first circle we have 2. And the second circle we have 4. Okay, 2, 4 give you 6. And then 8 plus 2 will give you 10. Effectively, when you add 8 plus 2, add 8 and 2 together, you will get 10. And remaining is 4. So plus 4, which will give you 14. Let's look at another example. Let's say we have 3 plus 9 equals. We have to ask ourselves which is the smaller number. Circle the smaller number, which is 3. Circle 3. 9 plus what will give you 10? 9 plus 1. So the first number will be 1. And we know 3 can be broken up into 2 and 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. Remaining is 2 here, so plus 2, which will give you 12. The trick to this is to train your child in adding up numbers to 10. For example, 1, 9, 10, 2, 8, 10, 3, 7, 10, 4, 6, 10, 5, 5, 10. Okay, they have only these few combinations. Just train your child so that they can break up. They can straight away know when they see 7, they know that 3 plus 7 will give you 10. So the other number must be consisting of 3 and another number. The other thing is to train your child in working memory. Okay, sometimes your child memory not there, so you have to ask them to write down. If they write down, then they don't need to remember. Then they can refer to what they have written down easier. Practice often, then your child can master it. So altogether we have learned 2 types of addition in total. One is add by counting forward, and the other one is add by breaking up the smaller number and try to add the small number to the big number to get 10. Okay, 10 is a magical number. Have fun learning.